Spending time in jail has definitely put me in a place where as though I feel like I'm still institutionalized, even though that I'm out and I'm free and I'm walking around with everybody else. Because I did that, I spent those months in there, I still feel some type of like chain is holding me. So I lacked a great number of things. By me coming home, even though I went through the juvenile system, I still had the felony on my record. So like I said, I couldn't get schooling, I couldn't get housing, I couldn't get food stamps, I couldn't get a lot of things because I was a felon. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't get that family support because they didn't want me. Jobs, I couldn't get anything like that. My thing was, the only way I could get any services is if I was pregnant. So I got pregnant for the first time trying to get those services, and then after that I lost the child. So it's like certain things that in my mindset I felt as though I had to do certain things in order for me to receive government help. And it doesn't make sense at all that people ask me how I get in a program or deal with an organization, that I have to tell them that I was locked up for a certain amount of time in order to deal with that organization. It shouldn't take for that to happen. They should definitely give mental health to those children in there, somebody for them to talk to, some mentors, some people to come in. There were no activities for us to do. Another thing is, like, we didn't get certain like the adults guy was able to see the like nurses and things like that. If we put a slip in to see a nurse, it won't get taken care of because we're labeled as children. But why are children in the adult jail? You know what I'm saying? Like, if our parents were there, they would make sure that we'll be able to get, our stuff. But that didn't happen. We had, in my state, we did have schooling there. But if the correctional office felt as though that we did not deserve to go to school, we wouldn't go to school. And that's not right at all. The list goes on and on and on. Like everybody continues to say here, juvenile should not be an adult placement whatsoever. We should not be interacting with adults unless we're in society.